Have you guys ever had that friend that told you they trade Forex and you automatically thought, oh my God, scam, because that's what someone else told you? So guys, you came to the right video. What I'm gonna get into today is what exactly Forex is, and most importantly, how can you make some money doing it? This is the part where you get out your pens and your papers, put that thinking cap on, and get a little closer. Closer? Closer? All right, that's enough, guys. Let's step back. So first and foremost, what Forex is Forex is an acronym. It stands for foreign exchange. So what that is literally is exchanging one currency to another. If you've ever traveled to another country before, you've participated in the largest financial market in the world. Now, how does this work? Let's say you're in Europe and you want to travel to the United States. You can't just come here and spend euros because we don't accept euros. We only accept US dollars. You're going to have to exchange your euros for the US dollar. The exchange rates actually fluctuate every day. It's fluctuating right now. You can actually capitalize on that and make an income through the exchanges. So what that looks like is, let's say, for example, you come to the US for a weekend. At the time that you're exchanging your currency, 1 euro equals 2 US dollars. This is just for example. I want to make the numbers very simple so you can follow along. Let's get it. Let's say at the time you come with 1,000 euros and you exchange your euros for the US dollar. They're going to give you back 2,000 US dollars. Now, let's say at the time that you came, you didn't spend any US dollars because your significant other said, hey, listen, it's Valentine's Day. I got everything covered. No worries. I got you. You still have those 2,000 US dollars. By the time you get home, imagine when you exchange your US dollars back to the euro, imagine they give you 1,200 euros. Imagine they gave you 1,400 euros. You just made 200 to 400 euros just from traveling back and forth between Europe and the US. Now guys, don't worry. I'm not saying, hey, the way you make money through Forex is by traveling around the world, exchanging currency. That's cool, that's lit, that's dope, but that's not efficient. That's not how we do things. Notice how the world is literally shifting to the digital age where everything you can do is online. So because you got this beautiful thing called a smartphone, you can actually make money trading Forex from your phone anywhere in the world as long as you have Wi-Fi. Now tell me that's not amazing. Imagine you can make your job's income right now from your phone in a fraction of the time. Now that is the power of Forex. Now, if you love that concept, if you love that idea, please smash the like button right now. That really helps me out. Don't miss my next video. If you subscribe right now, subscribe right here, put on the post notifications, you'll catch my next video where I explain exactly how to trade Forex and how to actually start making money doing it. So with that said, guys, thank you for stopping by. I'll see you guys on the next video. Let's make some money this year.